Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Sony Mavica error code C1301. The error reads disk error. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users start their Sony camera, and it fails to recognize the memory card. According to our research, this error usually happens because of a bad connection between the contacts of the memory card and the camera. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to try the memory card in a memory card reader and see if it works. If the memory card is working in the reader, then the issue is likely with the camera's contact points. If the error still comes, then insert and remove the memory card a couple of times. This can help the card make proper contact with the camera's internal connectors. If the error still persists, then wiggle the card gently in the slot to see if it establishes a connection. If that doesn't help, try using a different memory card to see if the problem is with the card itself. If the error still continues, then check the memory card's lock switch. Make sure the switch is not set to lock, as this can prevent the camera from accessing the card. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try formatting the disk using your desktop computer. Some users shared that formatting a previously Apple-formatted disk fixed the error. But before formatting, make sure to back up any important data. If you still get the error, follow these detailed steps. First, turn the dial to Setup and select Initialize Disk. If it won't let you initialize because of the error, then choose Format Disk. This will delete all data on the CD. Next, when the camera prompts you to set it down, instead, hold it level above a table. Press OK to start the formatting. After 3 to 5 seconds, rotate the camera 90-degree counterclockwise so the disk side is facing down. Hold it in this position for a few seconds, then rotate it back to level and place it on the table. This might align the laser drive to complete the process. Check if the error still comes. If this doesn't work, then try the same method again, but this time gently bump the camera's disk drive side on a soft surface like a mouse pad right after rotating it. Then rotate it back to level and place it down. The progress bar should start moving if it works. At last, if the error still persists, then try using another disk altogether, and check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.